Hi there. Here's all you need to know about your SPOTBOT camera settings. You can access your camera settings on the SPOTBOT app by clicking anywhere on the SPOTBOT's Quick View panel and entering the SPOTBOT menu. Click on Cameras and then Edit to toggle settings for a specific camera. In the Regions section, you can choose which areas of the camera's video frame SPOTBOT should ignore or monitor for intrusions. These areas are called masks or regions of interest. A black region means it is masked, meaning the area will not be visible on any detection images, and SPOTBOT will ignore all movement in the area. A red region of interest means SPOTBOT will alert you when humans move into the area. A blue region of interest means SPOTBOT will alert you when vehicles move into the area. This option will only be available if you have purchased the Vehicle Detection module. To draw a mask or region of interest, simply select the region type, mask, humans, or vehicles, and tap on the video frame to drop the corner points of the region. To undo and restart drawing, reselect the region type. In the Detection Options section, you can enable or disable detection for humans or vehicles. If you do not have active masks or regions of interest, SPOTBOT will employ your selected detection preferences to the camera's entire video frame. Your regions of interest will only be active if you have human or vehicle detection enabled in this section. You can also toggle the detection accuracy that SPOTBOT employs when monitoring the camera for intrusions. Detection accuracy is measured on a scale from 1 to 5, with 1 being less accurate and 5 more accurate. The optimal detection accuracy setting for each camera is dependent on a combination of a few factors, such as your camera's image quality, the height and angle of the installed camera, and the monitored area's lighting. Low detection accuracy is normally deployed in less optimal environments, where it is more difficult for SPOTBOT to determine with high certainty that a human figure is detected. We recommend a lower accuracy setting for cameras with lower image quality and areas with low lighting. Higher accuracy settings are only applicable to environments where SPOTBOT might regard certain objects as detections, when in reality, they are not. Be sure to test detections during the day and evening to determine your SPOTBOT's optimal detection accuracy setting. If you're receiving false alarms, your detection accuracy is too low. If you're not receiving alarms when you should, your detection accuracy is too high. Lastly, you can give each camera a unique name, like front door or garage, to know exactly from which camera view SPOTBOT detected an intruder. For more instructions on managing your SPOTBOT device through the app, visit our website at www.spotbot.co.za or contact our support team at support@spotbot.co.za. Alternatively, speak with one of our technical support team members at 086 00174443.